Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I'm very excited to talk about the Hilor swimsuit. This sample was provided by Hilor, so thank you for that, Hilor. It's color green. It's a size 6. This is how it looks. So what I like about this swimsuit is that here around the chest it has a cross, and as you can see here, this is going to provide you with more coverage about the chest. It has the straps, they're adjustable. They are adjustable like you can see here. Um, if you're looking for a tummy control, this will do it. It hides, there is like an extra expandex material around the belly, so it will help you cover more of the stomach. And this is how it looks in the back, so it has also like good coverage. It's not going to show a little bit of the back. It has a straight curve for the back, and the pads are easily removable, so you can remove them for washing, which is also very helpful. I like the color green. It's very pretty, very tropical. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.